Hi, I'm James O'Flanagan. I'm an engineer and I'm a teacher. I've been doing both for a long time. This channel is where those two things come together. I've worked in engineering for 25 years. I've been a teacher at high school for the last several years. I teach engineering, robotics, and manufacturing to high school students. And one thing I've learned is this: engineering is everywhere. It's in bridges, it's in airplanes, it's in computers, it's in AI, it's in baseball, it's in bikes. There's an e-bike over here. That's basically one big robot. So e-bikes and EVs, electric vehicles, big robots like a Tesla. We talk about that a lot in here. Engineering is also about people. It's about systems. It's about what works and what doesn't work, what makes it not work and fail, and what we can learn from both. That's why you'll find a lot of different things on this channel. You'll find engineering and science videos, lessons. You'll find videos from my classroom, real world examples from my career and from other people in real life. You'll find Deck 36, which is my newsletter. It's where I use stories to tell lessons about technology, leadership, failure, kindness, and talk to people how systems work. You also meet some of the people that shaped me. And I like to call this human James as opposed to AI James, just to make sure there is no doubt there is a human teacher here. And I call it human James. These are the people that influenced me. Those folks like Jim Tressel and Steve Harvey are all Northeast Ohio kind of folks. And for that reason, that's why I like to include them in my class. So those two are on there and some other folks. You also see me use generative AI. I use AI as a tool to help me think, write, research, and make things. I don't use it to make AI slop. I'm actually pretty against it. So on this channel, we talk about what that difference means. What is AI slop and what is not? This channel contains zero AI slop. But I review the work. I decide what goes, what stays. So if something has an automated voice on it, be sure that I wrote the words. They came out of my 25 years of engineering experience. So that's where this AI has helped leverage and expand that reach. The final choice is mine. AI is just a tool. So we'll talk about exactly what that means. We talk about that in my classroom all the time. The human is still responsible for all work. So we like to say the solver does not sign the stamp. So what that means is the stamp that goes on a drawing that says this human's responsible for it. Computer programs are not capable of doing that because they can't be held responsible for anything. So that's a big part of human responsibility, especially in engineering. So for me, engineering is really just a way of thinking. Ask questions, look for evidence, build a model, test it, see what's wrong, fix it, try again. That's a scientific method. That's engineering. Engineering is science applied to real life with real life consequences like money and real things like buildings and cars. And that's a good way to live life too. So this channel is about engineering, science, education, stories, systems, people. Basically, my entire life wraps around those 5 or 6 things. The goal is simple: engineering great engineers. That is what we do on this channel in my class. Engineering great engineers. So that gets into the teaching aspect of it, and obviously it keeps the engineering aspect. If you like learning how things work, you're in the right place. Take a look around the channel. Drop a comment. Email me, jim.oflanagan@gmail.com. If you have any questions about anything, I love talking about this stuff. This channel is my big part of my life's work. So if you want to talk about it, I would love to talk to you about it. I'm James O'Flanagan. I'm an engineering teacher, and this is Oapsie Engineering and Education. Let's go build something together, folks. Have a good day.